gathering three-dimensional topographic data from aerial photographs is now a reality within the scope of all professionals, thanks to the possibility of obtaining this kind of information via stereoscopic models made up of such photos. This work can be outsourced to specialist companies, or the images can be requested from organizations which hold archives of oriented digital flights, such as the National Geographic Institute and municipal and regional government cartographic departments. Current applications that are capable of restoring or interpreting data from such flights, produced by international corporations, represent a considerable cost, which is only within the budgets of companies and professionals with an important volume of work which would justify the large investment. With a view to extending the spectrum of program users and to make its use easier and more intuitive, the idea of creating an application that the aforementioned needs arose. Developed by Aplitop, TcpStereo was designed to be an application with an end-user cost that's considerably lower, while boasting similar features to existing programs available in the market. TcpStereo allows you to visualize, measure, analyze, prepare, or update existing cartography from different periods based on georeference flights. With TcpStereo, images are organized into independent blocks, strips, and models, which can be visualized simultaneously in different application windows. The program features zoom, framing, scale change, minimap, etc. TcpStereo is compatible with any computer and graphics card through the use of simple glasses with colored filters. These allow the users to record or print an image so that the client can also see it in relief. TcpStereo also allows the user to work with active glasses, like those used in 3D cinema and video games, such as the NVidia 3D vision system. Finally, the application is also compatible with professional two-screen systems which use a polarized screen, more suitable for continuous work thanks to their passive glasses. TcpStereo can be synchronized to a number of CAD systems, such as AutoCAD and BricsCAD, drawing points and lines at a constant or variable height in the same coordinate system, maintaining the drawing frame and center. Stereoscopic models can be visualized in continuous mode, following the user's movement on the ground and showing the terrain coordinates in real time, allowing 3D distances, area and perimeter to be measured.
Con la intención de ampliar el espectro de usuarios y facilitar una utilización más sencilla, nace la idea de crear una aplicación que cubra estas necesidades. Para ello desarrollamos TcpStereo con prestaciones similares a las de otros productos a un coste mucho más reducido.
The TcpStereo application is the result of Aplitop's research and development, allowing the stereoscopic visualization of oriented aerial photographs from cartographic databases, highly effective and at a significantly reduced cost. This is an extremely useful tool for public administration and companies which specialize in mining, earthworks, hydrology, environmental and urban planning operations.